na trên mặt đà lên hay tọt ma dương nơi nã tim mà bên khinh pha nè lại mà đo Universal này với bà tham mau lực ní mau cái lý cứ thầy đã tìm thang chẳng hái mùi sầm chụp lại mà đo lại hộp lại cho sân. Ok, let's go, bye bye. Cho trơn màu học gì vậy nè rồi
ticket windows directly ahead.
Sao máu
lại vô hủ anh ấy bên cho tao như mưa sọt đi tụi mình lợi đà anh dẹp nhỏ đồ lại chị ấy xin
Yes! Alright, stay weird.
Tell us.
Later.
bye.
Oh man, it is way past time. I'm not even a PG-13 movie. No! I'm PG, man. Dang it. Alright, come here. Thank you. Sure.
Anh ngồi đây mới à?
Thì họ bao giờ họ ở vậy chị học
Đây.
cô
Đây. Camera bay lên cũng nặng trong á.
Come here. Yes!
hà là có tiết chính dịp. Ok.
Yeah.
We're with you. We got you. Got you, man. Got you.
Sao tốt các người đấy đi. Cái này.
Kia thầy kèm.
Xì ở đi tí play cái này. Play mon thuộc ký. Thôi play mon này. Phần nào nó play mon.
Play mon Turkey, play mon Turkey. Turkey nó gặp tới ha.
Oh, we had the Harry Potter. Oh, okay. Well, right now you're with a Harry Duncan, so that's cool. Then you go to Harry Potter. Oh yeah. Ooh, there's a right there. Let's go. All right, Jasmine. So when you get all that candy from Halloween, share some with Duncan, okay?
Đi khui ở đây nhở. Wow, vì miễn Harry Potter. Thành món đi không có xéo nó hì tới vai rồi mà Harry Potter thế. Nè thôi này, xéo vẽ bật mò à.
Phía trái.
This is an entrance for a witch or wizard. It's a complicated process of that. Yes? Now, there's strong magic in here. I feel it from you too. What's your name? Blake. Blake?
As we do so, coming up on the right is a great big construction site. Also amazing Spider-Man, Andrew Garfield and Emma Stone, and Captain America, the first Avenger with Chris Evans. A couple of the more recent productions to have shot down here include American Ninja Warrior, there's another full episode down here earlier this year. Also Hobbs and Shaw, Back to the Future, Flintstones made some donations a while back, very nice of them. More toward the ends of vehicles from our Fast and Furious films, also one of the newer arrivals, the Gyrospheres here from Jurassic World. One picture of our lineup is the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Alone to the Peterson thank you. Just kind of cut this satellite feed there. Anywho, here comes your weather. They might catch some occasional lightning flashes done with high-intensity flash bulbs. Also going to be adding in a little more thunder and audio effects done through speakers. There we go. And of course, there is your rain. Sprinklers high overhead, shoot water up into the air. The water comes right back down. Huge thunderstorm whenever we want, right here on the back lot. And it is nice in the warmer summer months when we come down here. Oh no! That wasn't good. It gets flash floods out. Water gets closed. In 2002, using the film Big Fat Liar with Frank Muniz, Matt Vines, and Claude Giamatti. You cannot run the whole across the border, so to speak, from Mexico, in one of our western sets. We're entering 6 Points, Texas. One of the most recent big productions to have shot in 6 Points, Texas. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, directed by Quentin Tarantino with Nina Well. Oh, that's disgusting. All right, we lost Officer George. He just became a George kebab. All right, they want us to clear the area. We're going to pull down here behind the dock. All right, there goes the bait, very nice. And the bait's stopped with the line break or something. Gas line, and now there's the fire. It looked probably best if we just head over to the far side. Wait a minute, look out! Whoa, here we go. He's a man. Alright gang, you just said hello to one of my backlot favorites, McBuddy Jaws, who as it turns out was just a terror off screen as he was on. We can say more about that. The film's director, look who's home, Robin Bates. What is he doing? He's got the trunk open there. Maybe he's hopefully just packing up for a trip, a motel owners convention. No, he's right back up to his old tricks, only very sloppily moving a body in like broad daylight in full view of 153 people. Yeah, Norman, you gotta check your surroundings, pal. You got a lot of witnesses out here. What do you? Oh, geez. You know what? Maybe it's best if we just check on out of the Bates Motel. Norman is not happy to see us. Theaters back in 2005, starring Tom Cruise, Dakota Fanning, and Tim Robbins.
It was a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had. To sit down and talk about what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good.
You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed.
Bobby, get in. Get in. Going into the unload area. Once we get stopped, the gates will be opening up on the left. Watch your step as you exit the tram. Go ahead and take your 3D glasses with you as you exit. Toss them into the bins.
This game in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, and now starting that shot clock.
How are you guys? Good. I'm going, man. Can you show me how to get it? So you oh, not that one. What? There it is!
So how you might take some, did I?
Awesome. So you can win anything on that wall, buddy. What? You need to make all of them, so just anything on this wall. On this wall? Mm-hmm.
How? Yeah.
ปลาร้ามา
จับมันตุ๊กตาได้
$12
Yeah, sign what champion world champion world champion mà nó bị sỏi cái nó world champion
all the world I got the champion
Come on now, folks, too. Don't go like into it.
first time got champion cả là như tao
¿Quieres tocar el dinosaurio? Por favor, vete a otro lado y me puedes tocar en el estómago. Solo en el estómago, por favor. Gracias.
ôi chùm nấu má nè
You are cleared from visitor center. Have a nice ride. In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast... You are cleared for entry. Home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures. We have a containment alert. We show multiple containment failures.
Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime,
yeah, lại đi làm ăn tè với nhau màปูcòn lặngปูlại. Yeah, bye bye.
Đồ hàng châu Âu